What if I told you there is a super portable light in this small little box, 3 ways to charge and power this light, super portable, Bowens mount, Bluetooth, bi-color. I mean, what else can you ask for? So I decided to go with something like this because, like I said, it's super portable. I can light anything, anywhere, with a power bank, a V-mount battery that has a USB input on it. I feel like this light is going to be a real game changer. So let's get into the unboxing. Zhiyun Molus X100. So now I was just reading quickly on the description that this light doesn't come with the Bowens mount. So I do have to get another adapter to mount my Bowens modifiers on this, I believe. But let's see. Let's open it. And so what you can also get is a grip that goes onto this light. It basically acts like a portable battery. Super small. We're going to open it for the first time. Got some writing on here. Anyways, so that's it right there. This unit does not come with the battery grip, which would go right here, which is going to give you additional or portable power supply. So now this is the little modifier that it comes with, which is it's owned by Zhiyun or Zhiyun, whatever you want to call it. Very small. Goes on like that and snaps. And then to take it off, you just click this little thing here, it twists. The color temperature right here. And this one here is to dim the light. So this is where you have your power options. You got the USB-C right there, and then the DC in right below it. Got the power button, and like I said, your dimming controls on the top. A huge fan right here, as you can see. Pretty cool to keep this small little thing nice and cool. You don't want it to overheat, especially with the amount of output that this thing can give. We're gonna try with this V-mount because I know this V-mount was advertised to charge things that needed a little bit more juice. Now this V-mount might not be able to do that. So we're gonna try with the ZG V-mount and power this bad boy up. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work now. We have two USB-C to USB-C, and we're gonna go into the PD out on the V-mount, because this is able to provide us with that power that this light needs. So we're in right there, we're gonna turn it on, and the light should turn on. Beauty. So basically right there, like you have a portable, super portable, powerful light. And now that I know for future reference that I'm gonna probably have to use this V-mount, or I do have a power bank at home that I can use. So now like that, you have a super powerful light you could just walk around with. Now you could even put a handle on the side if you want. I would recommend getting the cheese plate idea for the bottom here, because it just feels like it's super handy. To give you guys a quick update, for all the test shots, I was only able to use this light at 27%, so I wasn't even able to utilize the full 100% power that this light is capable of doing. Mind you, it was already super bright to begin with, only at 27%, so I didn't even think I would even need the full 100% or 100 watts coming out of this light for all these test shots. But yeah, just give you an update. So make sure you do have something that can support 100 watts. Otherwise you won't be able to use the full 100 watts on this light. So whatever battery you are using, it would only output that amount of power to this light. So let's say you have a 10 watt battery, you're only gonna get 10% on this light. You're not gonna be able to get the full 100% or 100 watts. All right, we are back. We finally ended up getting the power bank that supports the 100 watt output with USB-C. So right now we're gonna check to see if this works. So we're gonna plug it into the USB-C input on the light. And now we're going to turn it on. One thing that I quickly noticed is that on the top right corner, PD 100 watt, which basically means that we are using the correct power outage for this light. Now, if I were to quickly switch this to this V-mount PD 27 watt on the top of the screen right here, what that means is this V-mount battery can only output 27 watts. So just an FYI, you do need the correct power outage to get the 100 watt power on this light if you want to use its full advantage. So I would highly recommend picking up a power bank, something like this. Now this is a little bit bigger. I would highly recommend something like this if you're a run and gun filmmaker like myself, especially if you don't have or want to be carrying all your other bags with all your lights. Something like this, having this in your bag is very convenient. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys are using something like this or if you guys have anything similar. One thing I'm gonna probably be doing is picking up the modifier for Bowens, because like I said, this light doesn't come with this. One more thing before we finish this video is that this light, you can buy it in a few different options. One is without the battery grip, which I don't have, and I didn't or wasn't sure if it even came with it, because there was a photo on Amazon showing that the grip was on the light, so it was kind of confusing. But after you read the specs, it says that the battery grip is not included, as well as the Bowens mount, when they're basically stating that this is a Bowens mount optional, but you don't get it in the one package, which is the one I bought. But using this, it will get the job done. It's very spotlighty, so you might have to do some fixing around or some rigging, but it will get the job done. This is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.